I'm just gonna make 2. Clean my hands so I can mix it better with the hands. It gets sticky when you have the dough on your hands. All right. Another one. Now you put a little oil on top of it. And I already cut the potato. Now I'm gonna go cut the onion because in potato we put 2 pieces of onions. And I'll be back. And I need more oil. We're making a potato pie today, and all we need in this for this dough is a salt, flour, and warm water. And we're not gonna make it dough to be too hard. It's gonna be a soft dough. Just make sure to mix it very well, the flour and water, to make a nice texture mixture, however you call it. Today we're gonna make potato pie. It's gonna be a really good pie. And that's right. So we only need the flours, half of this, whatever you call that, and salt. Then now we're gonna use the warm water to make a dough for a pie.